Find out the equivalent resistance where the 3 resistor is connected in a triangle. You have to find out the equivalent resistance for AB. If we have 3 resistor in that way, as you already have seen in the picture, 40 ohm, 60 ohm, 100 ohm, right? There are 3 points A, B, C. The question is, you have to find out the equivalent resistance. You have to find out the equivalent resistance for AB. That means this segment, this line, you have to find it out, right? AB. There is a point A and B, and in that line, the resistor is what? The value of the resistance 40 ohm. You have to find it out. You have to find it out the equivalent resistance for this point. So, if you want to determine the equivalent resistance for this segment, first delete it. Then what do you have? Simply 100 ohm and 60 ohm. And think about it, these are nothing but the series combination, right? Like this, R1 and R2, R1 and R2. So this is a series combination. You can draw the series combination in that way and also in that way. Same thing, series combination. Think about it. If you simply shift these things in a little that way, also in series, same. So the R1 plus R2 we have to do for determining the equivalent resistance for here. So 10 plus 60 is what? 100 plus 60 is equals to 160 ohm. Why we have to add it, you understand? Because in the series combination, if you want to determine the equivalent resistance, we have to add the resistor. 100 plus 60 is equals to C1 160 ohm. So that means now the value of the entire this portion is what? 160. So now the new circuit we have, that is what? This is 40 ohm that we have, and now this is what? 160 ohm. So 40 and 160. These two resistors are connected in parallel. Simple. Because parallel, why parallel? If current comes, the current will be divided. Sorry, the current will be divided. If the current comes, the current will be divided. And the potential difference of these 2 points, the voltage is exactly equal. So that is why 40 and 160 is connected in parallel. So if you want to determine the equivalent resistor for AB, the answer will be resistance is equals to simple multiplication of 2 resistor by addition of 2 resistor. I already have told you in the previous content how to find out the equivalent resistance for the when the 2 resistor is connected in parallel combination. So R1 into R2 by R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2, that means 160 into 40 by 160 plus 40. So that is what? 200 here, and that is what? 40. So 32 ohm. That is your answer. Okay, this is very easy. Go to the next question.